Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to export audio from Adobe Premiere Pro. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you have your project open with the sequence that you want to export. Once you're ready, go up to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export and then select Media. This will bring up the export settings window. Here, you'll want to set the format to your preferred audio type. You can choose AAC, MP3, or WAV, depending on what you need. For this example, I'll choose MP3. Click on the blue text. This will let you rename your audio file and select where you want to save it. Make sure the name and location are something you'll remember. Now, simply hit the Export button. Premiere Pro will process your request, and in a few moments, your new audio file will be ready. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.